Unlock the potential of passive income with Shopify's affiliate program. Join a community of entrepreneurs and start earning by promoting one of the most trusted e-commerce platforms in the world. Whether you are a blogger, influencer, or just passionate about online businesses, you can earn generous commissions for every referral. Don't just dream about financial freedom. Make it a reality with Shopify. Sign up today and turn your influence into income. So hey guys, and welcome in this video where I will show you step by step how you can make money with Shopify affiliate program. So first of all, you have just to open your browser, and I'll dive into shopify.com. So this is the page, as you can see. So Shopify Affiliate Program allows individuals to earn commissions by promoting Shopify's e-commerce platform. Affiliates can share unique referral links with their audience, and when someone signs up for Shopify Draw that link, the affiliate earns a commission. This program is ideal for bloggers, influencers, and anyone with an online presence looking to monetize their content while helping others start their own online stores. So this is the homepage, as you can see. If you want to get started, you have just to click over apply now. Once you do that, you will find other page. So here we have apply to become a Shopify affiliate. So you click over sign up, and then you click over accept. Then you click over sign up with email here. And once you do that, you will just write your first name, your last name, username, your email address, your password, and your mobile phone, and then you click over here and you click over get started. Once you do that, you will find other page, which is how would you categorize your business. Select the option that best describes how you interact with your audience and what they come to you for. This helps brands learn more about your business. For example, we have social influencers, content and reviews, loyalty and rewards, deal and coupons, email and newsletter, search and comparison, network, technology solution, cross-audience monetization. Then you click over continue, and once you do that, you will find this page. You have here add social. You can add more than one accounts from each type of social platforms. You will choose Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, let's say X, Pinterest, YouTube, TikTok, Twitch, LinkedIn, WeChat, and Weibo. Once you do that, you will find this page, but before you have just to click over one of this, and you'll find this page. About this one, we have to ask about yourself. So you choose if you are an individual or company. Then you have to write here account display name, country or region here. For example, in this state, we have the mail address, we have the first street address here, the second street address here. Then you write your city. Then we have here, for example, I choose United States, so I will choose Texas or California, and you have to write your zip code here. Then we have your time zone also and currency. Then you click over submit and you get started. So this is how it works with Shopify, and let's say apply on Shopify. So we have here become a Shopify affiliate. Earn commission when you refer new merchant to select Shopify plans or Shopify point of sale. Then we have here two ways to refer and earn: Shopify plan referrals, Shopify Pass Pro referrals. Then we have here join thousands of affiliates from across the globe. You can just read these things to more understand. We have here we are committed to your success. And if we scroll down, we have here some frequently asked questions. For example, what is the Shopify affiliate program? As you can see, then we have here what requirements do I need to meet to apply. We have to apply, you must own and run an active website, have an established audience, create original content such as online courses, seminars, blog posts, or videos. You have here have an experience with Shopify or other e-commerce platforms, operate and agree to the Shopify partners program agreement. And we have here how will I know if my application is accepted? Can I become a Shopify affiliate in any country? How are referrals tracked? What is the commission structure? How does payment work? What information can I track about the merchants I refer? Then what are Shopify's brand guidelines? So right now I will show you how you can get started and earn money with Shopify. So the first, here we have YouTube. So if you are looking to leverage platforms like YouTube, TikTok, and Instagram for the Shopify affiliate program, here are some strategies and tips for each. So the first one, we have YouTube. So YouTube is a powerful platform for affiliate marketing, allowing you to create in-depth content that engages viewers and builds trust by producing product reviews, tutorials, and unboxing videos. You can showcase the benefits of various products sold through Shopify stores. Be sure to include your affiliate links in the video description, making it easy for viewers to purchase what they see. Engaging you visuals and informative content can lead to higher conversion rates as viewers are more likely to trust recommendations from video creators they follow. So the first thing here, we have, for example, top 10 Shopify dropshipping products for February. You have just to click over the link and you'll find here this page, and then you get started. Then we have here TikTok also. So TikTok thrives on creativity and short form content, making it an ideal platform for promoting Shopify products in fun and engaging ways. By creating quick product demos, participating in trending challenges, or utilizing popular sounds, you can capture the attention of a wide audience. Use your bio link to direct followers to your affiliate products and incorporate relevant hashtags like hashtag Shopify fans to increase visibility. The platform's very mature means that even a single well-crafted video can significantly boost your affiliate sales. Then we have Instagram also. So about Instagram is perfect for visual showcasing products, making it a key platform for affiliate marketing by utilizing shoppable posts. You can tag products directly in your images, allowing followers to easily explore and purchase. Stories are another effective tool. Share quick recommendations and utilize the link sticker for seamless access to affiliate links. Additionally, creating engaging reels can help you tap into a broader audience while highlighting product features in a dynamic way. Consistency and authentic engagement with your followers will help you build a loyal community that values your recommendations. So each platform offers unique opportunities to effectively promote your Shopify affiliate links. So experimenting with different formats and strategies is key to finding what works best for you. So this is how it works with Shopify. You can just get started right now and you can earn money with it. So this is it for this video, guys. I hope it has been useful and helpful, and see you again in the next video.